Now, this might sound extreme, but the dopamine fast isn't some fad diet. It's a strategic way to reboot your brain's reward system and break the cycle of unhealthy habits that keep you feeling unmotivated and unproductive. Dopamine, the double-edged sword. Imagine dopamine as the feel-good chemical in your brain. It rewards you for certain behaviors, like indulging in sugary snacks or mindlessly scrolling through social media. But here's the problem. We've overloaded our brains with easy dopamine hits, making it harder to find satisfaction in activities that are actually good for us in the long run. The dopamine fast isn't about deprivation. It's about a temporary reset. Here's how it works. 1. Plan your escape. Choose a period, a day, a weekend, where you'll intentionally avoid high dopamine activities. This could be social media, sugary snacks, excessive TV, video games, or anything you overuse that leaves you feeling drained. 2. Embrace the low dopamine life. It might feel strange at first, but focus on low dopamine activities that require effort. Read a book, go for a nature walk, learn a new skill, spend time with loved ones in a meaningful way. These activities might not give you that instant high, but they plant the seeds for long-term satisfaction and a sense of accomplishment. 3. Reward yourself for the good stuff. This is key. Celebrate your progress, no matter how small. Finished reading a chapter? Treat yourself to a healthy snack. Stuck with a new skill for an hour? Take a relaxing bath. Remember, the dopamine fast is a challenge, but it's temporary. There will be cravings, there might be slip-ups. Don't beat yourself up. Just get back on track with the plan. You've got this. Bonus tip. Pair the dopamine fast with healthy habits you want to cultivate. Did the fast make you crave reading more? Keep that momentum going.